So we got a couple crazy skydivers?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, we're talking about us. So why are you guys here doing this?
Bucket list.
Bucket list. How about you?
He talked me into it.
Okay. All right. And what would you like to say before we throw you out of our aircraft today?
Soft landing?
Okay.
That's what we say.
All right. Absolutely. Thumbs up. Let's do it.
All right, Cass. Ready to do this? Yeah. All right.
Nice and knees out. We're going to bend down forward just a little bit. Swing both knees out over the edge. Just like that.
So I have to have my eyes open to know where I'm at.
As soon as we leave, head comes back, head up, shoulders back, stomach forward, feet are together. Between my legs, your heels are curled up on my butt, okay?
Okay.
Come on, back in.
All right, look over here. Give me your full name.
Kassandra Hoover.
And where are you from?
Sunbury.
Kassandra, are you ready to skydive?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa! I was not expecting that. Whoa. Woo! Right into the sign. Yeah. Okay. Hi.
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah.
Every second.
I said that you're going to want to make this a yearly thing now.
Would you do it again?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely, right? Excellent. You guys have any last words?
Anybody needs, everybody should do that.
I agree.
Everyone should do it.
All right, paskydive.com. Come back again.